Life is the most precious gift we have. Every second, every breath, every heartbeat is a chance that will never return. And yet, so many of us drift through our days as if time is unlimited, as if we can waste it without consequence. The truth is simple but uncomfortable. You only live once, and every moment you waste is gone forever. This is why I want to remind you today, don't waste your life. Think for a moment. How many hours have you spent scrolling aimlessly through your phone, watching random videos, or gossiping about things that don't matter? How many dreams have you pushed aside, saying maybe tomorrow or someday, while today slips quietly into history? If you are honest with yourself, you know the answer, and deep down, you feel the regret. But regret doesn't have to control your story. You can change. You can take control of your life before it's too late. Most people think wasting life means doing something dramatic like throwing away opportunities, quitting school without a reason, or ignoring responsibilities. But wasting life can be subtle. It can be the slow drip of wasted time, the small habits that eat away at your potential, the comfort zone you never escape. Days turn into weeks, weeks into years, and suddenly you look back and wonder, where did all that time go? Imagine yourself at the end of your life, sitting in silence, thinking back on everything you've done. Will you be proud, or will you be filled with regret, wishing you had been braver, wishing you had lived fully? Most people at the end of life don't regret the things they tried and failed at. They regret the chances they never took, the words they never said, the dreams they never pursued. Don't let that be you. Life is short. You don't know how much time you have left. Some people live 80 years, some only 40, some even less. None of us have a guarantee. Every sunrise is a gift, and every day is an opportunity to become a better version of yourself. But if you keep wasting your days, you'll find yourself wishing for time you can never get back. So, how do you stop wasting your life? Let's talk about it. First, stop living on autopilot. Most people live like robots. They wake up, go to work or school, come home, eat, scroll through social media, watch Netflix, go to sleep, and repeat. Days blend into each other until nothing feels meaningful. But life is not supposed to be a cycle of mindless repetition. Life is about growth, about learning, about creating experiences that matter. Break the cycle. Wake up with intention. Ask yourself every morning, what can I do today that will make my life meaningful? Second, stop chasing distractions. We live in a world designed to steal our attention. Every app, every platform, every advertisement is fighting for your focus. And the more distracted you are, the less you accomplish. Don't let the noise of the world keep you from hearing the voice of your own purpose. Social media can be fun. Entertainment has its place. But if you're spending more time watching other people live their lives than living your own, then you're wasting your life. Third, invest in yourself. The greatest mistake people make is waiting for success to come to them instead of preparing for it. Read books, learn skills, practice discipline, take care of your body and mind. Growth doesn't happen by accident. It happens by choice. The more you grow, the more opportunities you attract. The stronger you become, the more challenges you can face. Remember, every hour you invest in improving yourself pays you back for the rest of your life. Fourth, spend your time on what matters. What really matters in life? Think about it. Money is important, yes, but money alone will not bring you happiness. Fame fades. Possessions lose their shine. What truly matters are relationships, experiences, growth, contribution, and love. Don't waste your life chasing things that won't matter on your deathbed. No one says, I wish I had bought more shoes when they're dying. They say, I wish I had spent more time with the people I love. I wish I had made a difference. Focus on what truly matters. Fifth, take risks. Playing it safe sounds comfortable, but it is the fastest way to waste your life. Comfort zones feel good, but nothing grows there. If you want to live a life worth remembering, you need to take chances. Apply for that job, start that business, talk to that person, write that book, travel to that place. Whatever dream is in your heart, pursue it. Don't wait for the perfect time, because that doesn't exist. The right time is now. Sixth, live with purpose. Without a sense of purpose, life feels empty. You can fill your days with work, with entertainment, with distractions. But if you don't have a purpose, you'll always feel something is missing. Purpose is what gives meaning to your struggles, what keeps you moving when life gets hard. If you don't know your purpose yet, start by asking, what do I care about? What do I want to contribute to the world? Who do I want to become? Purpose is not something you find once, it's something you create every day. Seventh, be grateful. Gratitude changes everything. When you are grateful, even the simplest things become beautiful. A cup of coffee in the morning, a smile from a stranger, the ability to breathe and walk and think. These are blessings. Too many people waste their lives chasing more, never appreciating what they already have. Gratitude doesn't mean you stop growing, but it means you stop wasting your energy on complaining. A grateful heart is a happy heart, and a happy heart makes the most of life. Think about this. Life is like a book. Every day is a new page. Too many people waste their pages filling them with meaningless scribbles. But you can choose to write a story worth reading. You can choose to create a life worth living. It doesn't matter where you started, it matters what you do with the chapters ahead. You might be thinking, but I've already wasted so much time. I've made mistakes. I've been lazy. I've been afraid. That's okay. Everyone has. But here's the truth. Your past doesn't define your future. You can decide today to change your direction. It doesn't matter if you are 15 or 50. You can still turn your life around. As long as you are breathing, you have a chance to live differently. Don't let fear control you. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of change. These are prisons that keep people from living fully. But fear is just an illusion. The things you are afraid of usually aren't as bad as you imagine. And even if you fail, failure is not the end. Failure is feedback. It teaches you, it shapes you, it prepares you. The real failure is doing nothing at all. Remember, the clock is always ticking. Right now, while you listen to this, minutes of your life are passing. You will never get them back. That's not meant to scare you, but to remind you, your time is valuable. Don't waste it on negativity. Don't waste it on regrets. Don't waste it living someone else's dream. Use it to create, to love, to grow, to make a difference. At the end of the day, the question is simple. Will you waste your life, or will you live it? Will you let fear, laziness, and distraction steal your years, or will you take control and write a story worth remembering? The choice is yours, and the time is now. So starting today, promise yourself this. No more wasted days. No more endless scrolling, no more meaningless excuses, no more waiting for the perfect time. Today is your chance. This is your moment. Live with intention, live with courage, live with gratitude, and above all, don't waste your life. Because life is too short and your potential is too great to settle for anything less.